Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 27th January 2025. Political news. India supports Chagos Islands sovereignty transfer. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has endorsed UK Labour leader Sir Keir Starmer's proposal to transfer sovereignty of the Chagos Islands to Mauritius. The plan includes Mauritius paying £90 million annually over 99 years, ensuring continued U.S. access to the Diego Garcia Naval Base. India's backing is seen as a strategic move to counter Chinese influence in the Indian Ocean, leveraging its cultural ties with Mauritius. Indian diplomacy is expected to play a pivotal role in securing U.S. approval for the agreement. EU seeks tariff reductions from India. The European Union is set to request that India lowers tariffs on automobiles and wine to strengthen trade relations and reduce reliance on China. This initiative aims to advance free trade agreement discussions, with the EU offering flexibility on agricultural issues in exchange for better market access for its key exports. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen is scheduled to meet with Prime Minister Modi and Trade Minister Piyush Goyal to discuss these proposals. Strengthening US-India defense ties. President Donald Trump's offer to share Lockheed Martin's F-35 stealth fighter technology with India signifies deepening defense relations between the two nations. This move comes after a meeting between Trump and Prime Minister Modi, resulting in several defense commitments. Despite India's historical reliance on Russian military equipment, this development indicates a strategic shift, positioning India as a key ally in the Indo-Pacific region. Sports news. India's U20 women's football team triumphs. The India U20 women's football team showcased resilience by overcoming a first-half deficit to defeat Jordan 2-1 in the Pink Ladies U20 Youth Cup held in Turkey. This victory highlights the growing prowess of women's football in India and the team's potential on international stages. Historic victory in hockey. In a thrilling encounter at Kalinga Stadium, the Indian men's hockey team defeated reigning world champions Germany 1-0 in the FIH Pro League 2024-25. Gurjant Singh's early goal in the 4th minute secured the win, marking a significant achievement for Indian hockey and boosting the team's confidence in the international arena. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.